Have you been looking for a bungalow in the north end of Barrie? Then look no further than 9 Couples Court, where comfort and accessibility come together. With such a unique layout, this 4-bedroom and 2 den with 3 full baths bungalow is perfect for any family, no matter what the size. Not only is this property on a private court, it is also situated on an oversized lot. With raised garden beds and ample space, this backyard has all of your entertaining and gardening needs. Steps away from parks, the Barrie Sports Dome, all shopping amenities, and quick access to the 400. For more information on this home or any of our others, contact us on all social media platforms or joneshomes.ca.